What's up, Brew Crew? Welcome back to my Brew City Garden. My name's Opie, and I'm super glad you're here today. And I'm super happy because yesterday I went out to check the mail, and on my front porch step was a package that I've been waiting for a couple of weeks, and really been looking forward to it. And I'll show you why here in just a minute. So here's the package I received yesterday in the mail. And just a reminder, if you haven't got your fall garlic ordered yet, you better go and get it done quickly. Typically, if you don't have your garlic ordered by the end of August, a lot of places will be pretty much completely out of stock. You might get the last of what they've got left, and it may not be the variety that you want. For the last several years, I have foregone going to the big box websites and whatnot to get my garlic, just because it tends to be so expensive, and I just couldn't justify the expense. So what I have been doing is going to the farmers market, and I go to the same booth every year. It's a nice Asian family that grow all organic fruits and vegetables, and it's really consistent. I go back there every year and I just pick up some garlic from them, and I plant it in about the second week of October for a early summer harvest the next year. Now the problem with that is I don't know what the variety is. I mean, it's always good garlic. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but when I ask them what variety it is, the sweet old Asian lady just smiles at me and she says, "It's garlic." So, I can't argue with that. It's garlic, and it was a pretty decent price for what it is. But yeah, I'm thinking it's time to step up my game. I really want to know exactly what variety of garlic I'm planting. So this year I really made an effort in mid to late August, a few weeks ago, to really scout out the garlic that I wanted. And I've been wanting to grow a variety called Music for several years now. And like I said, I couldn't justify spending the money to get the garlic that I wanted. Now, Music it's a really popular variety, and when you go online on the websites to order this stuff, basically you have to pre-order it soon, right when they start offering. Otherwise, you're not going to get it. It sells out so quickly. It's such a popular variety of garlic that's really hard to get. And when I look on these big box websites, even today, they still have Music garlic listed, but almost every one of them are sold out. And so, like I said, if you want your garlic, you got to really order it earlier in the late summer, early fall. Otherwise, you're just not going to get it. Another thing that kept me from ordering online was just the prices. I mean, just insane. I've seen a lot of websites are selling individual bulbs for anywhere from $5 to $8 a piece, which to me just seems kind of crazy. I mean, that's really high for garlic. I mean, I'm gonna plant it. It's gonna multiply, but the cheaper I get it, the better off. Now, one thing I understand is you can save your garlic bulbs and plant them over and over and over again. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. I really wanted the Music variety, so I know exactly what I'm growing, and then I could just save my garlic from one year to the next and propagate it over and over. But I had to get that variety. I really wanted to grow Music. So I finally went out there and I did a ton of research to try and find the best prices. Look, I've got a large family. I'm just like you. I don't have a lot of money, so I really got to make my dollars stretch. So a little bit of research goes a long way. And I tell you what, I think I hit the jackpot. So I really went out on a limb, and I decided, I'm going to see if I can find a small garlic farmer. Something, I'm going to stay away from the big box stores. I'm going to stay away from the Burpees and the Gurneys and all those places that really tend to kind of stick it to you when it comes to garlic in the fall. I understand they're running a business, and they sell out every year, so obviously they don't have any problem selling their garlic, but they're not selling it to me, I can tell you that. So I went out on a limb And I think I struck gold. I really did. I found a farmer that's local to the state of Wisconsin, which I'm really excited about. The prices were better than I'd seen anywhere. Everything was still in stock. So it's one of those things where I guess I just, I found this particular farmer early enough that I got the exact variety that I was looking for an awesome price. So let's take a look at what we got here. Put that down. All right, so that's that's a pound of music garlic, which I honestly didn't think there would be that many bulbs in there. So that's really good, and I could have got away with just buying 1 pound, and that would plant my entire garden. Now, luckily, since I was wanting to do some experimentation with the straw bales next year, I went ahead and picked up another pound. So look at that. I got 2 pounds of music garlic. Now, what's really going to blow you away is how much I paid for this. Would you believe I got these 2 pounds of big, beautiful music garlic cloves sent to my house for $33. For $33. Unbelievable. That's crazy. If I would have bought this at another website, one of those big websites, this would have been $70, $80 easy. I am super impressed with this. And the nice thing is this particular website allows you to choose what size bulbs you want. And then there's a pricing tier based on that, starting at $10 a pound. Now, of course, me being the cheapskate, not really, I'm not a cheapskate, but I really try to budget my money. And I know that I'm going to propagate these every year. So I went with the cheapest tier, which were, I think, like the 1.5-inch bulbs. Now, when I look at these, 1.5 inch is certainly the minimum, because I don't see a single bulb in here that is under 2 inches. These are some really nice bulbs. These are better than I get from the farmer's market every year. So you might be wondering, what is this website? And I'll show you right here. Okay, so we got Fat Clove Garlic Farm. And this guy is out of Hager City, Wisconsin. And like I said, I just went out on a whim. I didn't know exactly what I was going to get, but for the price, I was willing to try it. Man, I'll be ordering garlic from this website every year now. Now I feel comfortable diversifying my varieties. I started with music, and I think next year maybe I'll order a couple of different other varieties, and I'll really get a taste of all the different types of garlic that are out there. And I don't feel bad because the price is phenomenal. So with that being said, I just want to give a shout out to Mark at Fat Clove Garlic Farm. And to be honest, he doesn't know I'm making this video. I don't know if he'll even see this video. I sent an email saying that I might want to do a review, but I never got a response, and that's fine. I imagine this guy is probably very busy this time of year, just harvesting and curing and shipping out his garlic. But if you're interested, Fat Clove Garlic Farm. This is easily one of the best deals online. And I feel really comfortable after looking at the website. I feel really comfortable doing business with this gentleman, and the prices are awesome. It's local to Wisconsin, and I am just super, super happy all the way around. I got just an excellent deal. All right, guys, it's not too late for you to order your garlic. If it just slipped your mind or whatever, I would highly encourage you to go check out this website, get your order in today or as soon as possible, and get your garlic shipped to you in time to get it in the ground this fall. Typically here in Zone 5B, we will plant this garlic anywhere from the first or second weekend of October, so that's about 3 or 4 weeks away. And that's plenty of time to get your order in, get it shipped to your garden in time to get it planted. I can't wait. I can't wait to get this stuff in the ground, and better yet, the harvest escapes and the bulbs next year. All right, guys, thanks again for joining me here again today at the Brew City Garden. And thanks to Mark from Fat Clove Garlic Farm for helping me step up my garlic game this year with this beautiful music garlic at an awesome price. I tell you what, if you do decide to order from Fat Clove hey, drop a line, tell them Brew City Gardener sent you. You probably won't know what the hell you're talking about, but it couldn't hurt, right? And if you do plan on getting garlic put in the ground this fall, you better hurry up and get it ordered because the time's coming soon. Just a friendly reminder. So with that being said, all right, guys, we'll see you.